Hey, okay, so in this video, we're going to use the Google Finance function, a very simple function to allow us to get stock market prices for certain shares, but also currency pairs. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the bar and we're going to go equals Google Finance, click on that, and then we're going to go to B2, and then we're going to go comma, and then we're going to go quotation, and we're going to go price, and then we're going to go end quotation, and then close the brackets and return. And then this will give us the dollar price for the Apple share. And if I drag this down, we can also get the price for Tesla, Microsoft, and Amazon. What else Google Finance can do is actually do currency matches. So to see how many dollars we can get for a euro here. So what we're going to do is go equals Google Finance again. And then we're going to close the C8. And then we're going to go quote. And then we're going to go currency. And then we're going to go colon, and then we're going to go another quote, and then we're going to go ampersand B7 for the euro US dollar match, and then we're going to end the bracket and close. And then that'll tell us that €1 is $1.07. And if we drag it down, we can also get similar values for the GBP to yen and Australian dollar to Canadian dollar.